Howdy there, folks. Step on in and find yourself a seat. Got sloppy joes on the stove today, made up just the way Mama used to fix it. Whiskey's clean, and the company ain't half bad.
Rhinestone fraud.
Well now, folks, that's the whole shooting match right there. Sloppy joes just like Mama used to fix, but hearty enough to fill a cowboy's belly and smooth as a prairie breeze. Goes down mighty fine with a shot of good whiskey. Y'all be sure to mosey on back to Les's kitchen if you took a liking to our grub. Take care now, and don't be a stranger.
Rhinestone fraud.